One thing that people should know about me is that I'm a really Star Wars fan. So if you start to walk around the company, you'll definitely see my desk. You identify that right away because there is a lot of Star Wars figurines there, so you know where I'm working. My name is Matheus Cassimiro. I'm one of the software developers at VanillaSoft. I have been challenged work here at VanillaSoft because I need to learn about the VanillaSoft business. I didn't know too much about that when I joined the company. So that was a big challenge to me for sure. Work at VanillaSoft is kind of a family. So a thing that I really like here is the environment. So people, it's very friendly and we try to help each other all the time. So it's the most thing that I like here. My favorite part at working at VanillaSoft, it's the environment for sure. It's the collaboration mentality that we have here. So again, it's not just do your job by yourself. It's more like do your job as a team, as a team member. I think if you want to work in a place where you're not working alone, but in a team, and it's part of the team, and we don't have that kind of competition environment, but things to work together, that would be a very good motivation to join VanillaSoft.